Imagine stepping into a garden filled with vibrant flowers, charming pathways, and lush greenery, a space that feels like a romantic escape from the modern world. A cottage garden is not just a collection of plants, it's a dreamy sanctuary that brings timeless beauty to your home. In this video, we'll guide you through how to create a lush, romantic garden filled with color, texture, and fragrance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these garden design ideas will inspire you to transform your outdoor space. If you love gardening, don't forget to subscribe to Time for Gardening, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. A true English garden or cottage garden is a delightful mix of informality and abundance. Unlike modern, structured gardens, a cottage garden overflows with blooms in a seemingly unplanned yet harmonious way. The key is to blend colors, shapes, and textures to create a lush garden that feels welcoming and full of life. Think of delicate roses climbing trellises, cheerful daisies lining pathways, and fragrant lavender swaying in the breeze. By embracing a relaxed planting style, you'll capture the essence of this romantic garden tradition. The heart of a flower garden lies in its blooms. To create a lush, romantic garden, choose flowers that bring softness, color, and fragrance. Classic choices include roses, peonies, foxgloves, delphiniums, and hollyhocks, all known for their old-world charm. Add ground cover plants like creeping thyme or alyssum to enhance the sense of fullness. Layering flowers of varying heights will create depth and movement, making your backyard garden feel truly enchanting. pathways and borders help define your cottage garden design while maintaining a natural, flowing look. Instead of rigid lines, opt for winding paths made of gravel, stepping stones, or brick to enhance the romantic garden feel. Lining these paths with overflowing blooms like lavender, catmint, or yarrow softens the edges, blending nature with structure effortlessly. This inviting design encourages wandering and exploration, making your garden a true paradise. To create a truly lush garden, add vertical elements that draw the eye upward. Arbors, trellises, and pergolas covered in climbing roses, jasmine, wisteria, or clematis add height and an air of enchantment. These structures not only provide support for trailing plants but also frame entrances and pathways beautifully. Over time, these climbing blooms will spill over gracefully, adding layers of romance to your backyard garden ideas. If you have a small space or want to enhance your flower garden, consider using containers and window boxes. These charming additions allow you to layer colors and textures even in compact areas. Fill vintage pots, wooden crates, or hanging baskets with lush blooms like geraniums, petunias, or trailing lobelias for a touch of whimsy. A well-placed planter bursting with flowers can make even a tiny balcony feel like a romantic garden retreat. A signature of cottage garden design is the effortless, wild beauty that comes from self-seeding plants. Foxgloves, poppies, nigella, and forget-me-nots will return year after year, giving your garden a natural, ever-changing charm. Allowing these flowers to scatter freely across your garden ensures a spontaneous, lived-in feel, perfect for achieving that English garden look. A cottage garden should not only be beautiful but also a place of relaxation. Add a charming wrought iron bench, a rustic wooden seat, or a vintage bistro set to create cozy nooks where you can sit and enjoy your surroundings. Tuck them under an arch of climbing roses or near a fragrant herb garden for an inviting escape. Adding decorative touches like lanterns, birdbaths, or even a small fountain will elevate the atmosphere of your lush garden. To keep your romantic garden looking its best, it's important to provide seasonal care. Deadheading spent blooms, mulching in the spring, and pruning climbing roses will ensure continuous growth and color. Planting a mix of perennials and annuals will keep your flower garden blooming from spring to fall. And don't forget to enrich your soil with compost to maintain healthy, vibrant plants year after year. Creating a cottage garden is about embracing nature's beauty, layering colors and textures, and designing a space that feels like a timeless retreat. With the right flowers, pathways, and cozy corners, you can transform your backyard garden into a lush, romantic paradise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Time for Gardening, and leave a comment sharing your favorite cottage garden flower. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.